Hi. There's two of them, right?
No, just one.
Supposed to be two.
Oh, I'm just delivering one. Maybe somebody else is doing one.
Okay, because there was, you had two at the warehouse, according to my tracking.
This is 0.1. Maybe
They don't put both in one box. Just one.
Yeah, I don't know. Just one.
Should be one more somewhere. Well, got our bikes, our toys, time to put them together. So I'm gonna go and get Sandra, and she's gonna help me with this. Got a little chilly today, so I think I'm gonna go put a coat on. Oh, we're excited. Just like we told you in the last video. We're excited because we got our toys. And if you thought it was all about the kites, no, it wasn't about the kites. No. So I gotta go get a knife. Open this up. You wanna help me take the? No, I'll go get the knife from the garage, and we'll just remove this from here. Okay. Time to open the box. This is mine, right? It's got black frame?
Yep.
Okay. Boy, they really packed this in here good. Now, before we go any further, let's talk about the confusion on these deliveries. Yeah, okay. So, we've already put together Sandra's bike.
Yep.
We ordered 2 bikes. Now we can talk about what happened here. Ordered 2 bikes. One showed up. So I asked the guy, I says, where's the other one? And he says, I only got one. So we phoned up Walmart. I don't know if I should say the name of the company that we bought them from. But anyway, I will. We phoned up Walmart. We said, we only got one bike. We ordered two. So she proceeded to say, well, you can get a refund on the one you didn't get. Okay, but I was also talking to the we were also talking to the delivery company and trying to find out where the other bike was, but it appeared that it was possibly lost in transit. So for that reason, we assumed we would never get the other bike, that it was lost in transit, and we would get a refund. So we asked for a refund from Walmart. Well, guess what? On Monday, I ordered another bike. Thinking we weren't getting the other one. The next day, surprise, surprise, there was the transport company bringing us the original missing bike. Oh, now we've got a problem. We have an extra bike. What did we do with the extra bike? Phoned Walmart up and told them we had the other bike showed up, and they said, oh, when we get the bike, just go ahead and take it to Walmart and they'll refund our money. So that is what we're doing. And now my bike that showed up later, we're going to put it together. So that's what we're doing. I wonder if we can lift this up right out of here without you know, I think I'm just going to rip this right out.
What did you do?
The other one, we just lifted it up.
Yeah.
But it kept catching on things. So I can try and lift this up. There we go. Now it should snap together.
Yeah.
Yeah. We need pedals.
They're in the box.
They're in the box, so I'll have to go and open the box. You got the knife? I'll borrow that knife just to get at the seat. I think Sandra's in charge of the pedals. After all, she was able to put the pedals on her bike, so, you know, and it comes with a toolkit, some tools, and even a clipper. Nice. Remember, it's opposite thread. So this is right hand, that'll be left hand. Right?
Yeah.
I'm having trouble getting it started.
We'll switch.
Oh, maybe that's the problem. Yeah,
Huh?
that was the problem. Okay.
Which way you're supposed to go?
You're left-handed. So we should go this way.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
I think we need some tools. Need some tools. I got the wrong. I got the wrong end. Well, to tighten up the seat, it's an adjustment right here. Put your back to it again.
Got him.
Got him? Comes with keys. I wonder if the keys are the same as your bike.
Probably.
Yeah, maybe. We'll have to see. I'll put them off this. Okay, there's a few things we've got to lock up. And a few more things to take off.
You got more stuff
No,
than I got over.
To tighten these things, there's some lockups. So to adjust the seat, there's this lock here. So I have to first give it some, tighten it up a little bit. And once I'm happy with the adjustment, I just snack that like that. Oh, it's probably not tight enough. I'm gonna do a couple more turns. Okay, and I just lock it up. Yeah, that works.
Yeah, but you should sit on it to find out.
Sit on it to find out. Well, I'll adjust it later. You know, we probably got some instructions with this,
Yeah.
and we're not following the instructions at all, are we? Who needs instructions? Is that it? No. Well, this one isn't tight enough. Okay, I'll loosen this one up. Use that handle a little bit. Tighten this up just one more go. Try that. Initial adjustment for the handle. There we go.
Oh, camera's off.
It's actually still recording. We moved it into the garage. Now time to plug it in. That's kind of neat. Toolkit. Did come with instructions.
Yep.
Did we pay attention to the instructions?
Did
No.
Did we even look at
Did
it?
we even look at the instructions?
No.
No. Well, I'm a man,
I'm a woman.
and it's like, I'm not going to listen to instructions. Why would I want to do that? They're just complicated.
Just common sense.
Some things are common sense,
Yeah.
like putting a bike together.
Yeah.
You-
Trial and error.
Yeah, okay.
Then you read the instructions.
Uh-huh. Now, where does it plug in? Right here? Okay. Okay. You gotta plug this thing in here. See, we're so excited that we're having trouble getting things connected. It shouldn't matter, it should go both ways. There you go.
I got it.
Okay. Bring the cord around this way. And Isn't there a light that comes on when it's plugged in or when it's charging? Yeah, right there. Okay, so it's red, so it means it's not charged up yet. So I guess when it's charged up, it'll be
Green.
So anyway, I got mine. There's still some adjustments to make when we go for a ride, but we'll wait before we go for riding. We have tried Sandra's out already, and now she's got her own helmet. So the next thing will be going for a ride in our new toys, our electric bikes.
On our new toys.
On our new toys.
Not in. On.
On. Yeah, exactly. So, I'm Jim.
I'm Sandra.
We are retired old timers.
Taking it easy.
One day at a time with our new toys.
Amen.
Okay. Amen. God bless.
Yeah.
Going to 2. Whoa. Picking up a little wind. So we're trying to get used to the bikes, and you're having a little trouble getting used to it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Somebody's coming. We're taking up his space.
Oh, he can get around us. Well, that's enough for today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The wind's a little cool.
You kind of fell off once, and I fell off once. Still getting used to the bikes. So, still getting used to the bikes. Like I said, I'll do a medical update at the end of this video. So, my back is much better. My bloating and constipation is better. But neither one is 100%. I still suffer. My back still suffers once in a while, and I'm still got some issues going on with my belly. The good thing about it all, I'm still down to 183, 184 pounds, so that's the good thing on this. My appetite lately has been kind of fussy, so I don't know what's going on with that. But I get to see my doctor here in a few days. Well, I continue to work on the motorhome, and I've got most of that dry rot removed, but it's still not ideal, but be much better for traveling. Now, how this is all going to affect our traveling for this year is questionable, because unless our health is really 100%, I don't know if we want to drive too far. So we may just go up to Long Island Lake like we've done previously last summer. But my plans to go to Waterton is still in effect. So to go down to Nordig, Abraham Lake, Hot Springs, and to Waterton, and then back up. Won't be going in the States this year, but the plan is still to do that. So we continue to pray, and hopefully it'll be much better in the next little while. Well, thanks for watching. I'm Jim, tired retired old timer. I am taking it easy, one day at a time. Thanks for watching, and God bless.